Hey, what's up everybody? So we are all prepared as much as we can be for Hurricane Idalia. We've got all of our lines put on, extra lines doubled up. Got our extra spring lines and such on the side here, the port side, extra line at the bow. Took as much of the canvas off as we could, left a couple on the seats because they've made it through a couple hurricanes and tropical storms before, so they should be fine. But yeah, thinking about all you guys down in Florida. Be safe. Hope everybody makes it through. And we'll see you guys after the storm.